What's up, y'all? I'm at Prospect Heights, Brooklyn this morning. We're gonna have a few photo shoots. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like also. Hello. Alright, I have a few photo shoots here and also in Crown Heights. And I thought maybe it's a good chance to take you guys along and also show you what it looks like being a real estate photographer. And I think it's just cool to see some apartments here in Brooklyn. So my job for the day is to capture beautiful photos, beautiful videos, floor plan to show the space, make it look as wide, as nice as possible, and try to do it in record time. So now we'll start with the photos. You don't even have to show up in person to really get an idea of what the apartment looks like. And since I'm here, I'm just gonna show you guys what you'll be getting. So this is the second floor unit. You come up the stairs. Downstairs is actually a restaurant. To your left immediately, you have the living and dining area. And from here, you have a kitchen. Pretty solid kitchen. That's a plus. It's got a stove, laundry hookup, a fridge. Oh, it's got drinks in here. And then off of the kitchen and dining area, you have this bedroom here. Boom. It's a okay sized bedroom. Once you come out of that, we have a long hallway. And from the hallway, you have access to the bathroom right here. It's not a big bathroom by any means, but it's got a nice subway tile with very acceptable gray toilet, sink, and tub. And from here, we have another bedroom. This is a little special bedroom because I guess you could use that as the main bedroom area and here as the office space. And what's cool is that it's divided by this cool arch. Here's a good sized closet. And I think this is the best room because you have 3 windows. That one is locked up. You have this one to see the street corner, lots of action, but it's not done. From here, we also have a third bedroom. Voila. And this bedroom has a small closet with one of the better views this apartment has to offer. What I like and dislike about this apartment, it's the closest door to get through. The arch, I like the arch. I like the fact that it's 3.5 bedrooms, so you can fit a lot of people in here. I like the fact that you have a big enough living and dining space to be shared by multiple roommates. Full-size kitchen, laundry hookup, and what could be improved? Maybe the floor could be a little more level. It's not something you would notice right away, but I'm literally photographing from every corner, so I feel the need to shift my tripod a little. And maybe another thing, I wish there would be another bathroom added. 3 full-size bedrooms sharing 1 tiny bathroom. That's gonna be a struggle for whoever rents this place. And that's pretty much it. Let me show you upstairs. And the way I do the measurements for the floor plan is I use a laser measure, go from wall to wall, you see, and then it tells me the length. And all I have to do now is just sketch it out onto paper. Alright, upstairs you have this little foyer space. It's not really a private space, but you can put your shoes in a lot of storage. I'm sure people will use it. You come in, it's pretty much very similar to downstairs. Same size living, dining. The kitchen is a little different, however. It's got this little island in the middle here. Not sure where they got it from. It's got washer dryer, actual washer dryer instead of just a hookup downstairs. Same size refrigerator, and now the dishwasher's on the left instead of the right side. Compared to downstairs, same stove. It's a little brighter because it's 1 flight up. Here, same bedroom. You come in, closet. But what's different about this bedroom is that it's got this other door that connects to this weird bedroom / office space. Well, if you come out to this tiny bedroom on this side, you will notice that there's no closet in this bedroom here. The view, however, is gorgeous. This is really what you're paying for. Is it worth it? Let me know. The bathroom is also a little different. The tiles are older looking. What's nice is that the door actually swings out into the hallway. So you just want to make sure you don't hit someone when you come out, but it makes the bathroom feel more spacious, for sure. that's Prospect Heights for you. And I'm gonna show you guys more in Crown Heights.
I'm gonna grab a glove for my
Sure. And this is a property, commercial on the first floor, apartments upstairs.
Hey there!
We're gonna access apartments, we're doing floor plans and some photos here.
Have any cards?
I have a bad habit.
I know you don't carry it, do you? I know, because you young kids these days.
Alright, got a little warm out here in Crown Heights for real this time. Alright, same situation. I'm gonna sketch a floor plan now and I'll give you a tour in a bit. Alright, officially done with the photo shoot. Let me show you the apartment. So you come up in the staircase, there's actually a cool skylight here. That's really nice. And this is a penthouse, so you get to keep the space for yourself pretty much. But once you're inside this locked door, this is your apartment. So here, I assume it's a living room space, huge closet, and 2 great windows with beautiful street views. Decent door, not the best, not the worst. And then if you come through here, is a kitchen. The kitchen doesn't have a dishwasher, but you know, it's got everything else in here. It actually needs some wiping also. And if you come through the kitchen, this would be the bedroom. It has a view of the backyard. It's actually a pretty nice view. And then from here, you have access to the bathroom. So the bathroom have these pretty cute tiles, pretty standard sink, toilet, bathtub, but it's got the washer and dry hooked up in here, so that's a huge plus. And a better view of the backyard from this window. But one thing I gotta say about this bathroom is that they need to install some sort of vent in here. Because if you drop a deuce in here, you can smell it in the whole apartment. How do I know? Let me show you guys this door. If you guys come up from the stairs, this is another entrance. So that's the entrance we started with. And this entrance takes you to this bedroom, which you could technically make it a living room also, because there's access to the bathroom. And both of these rooms converge to the middle where this kitchen meets. And this is what I call a real 1-bedroom apartment. We are at the house. We got one more in Kingston Avenue, which is just 1 block around the corner. Wow, check out that property. Freaking gorgeous. And finally, we're on Kingston Avenue. I'm gonna show you this last one. Done with the floor plan. Apartment tour time. You come up the stairs. This is the door. You come in. This apartment has a really weird layout, I gotta say. So here is a kitchen dining scenario, and the fridge space is actually in this little nook here. That's a great use of the fridge space in my opinion, and it's got an extra window here. Another window, not a great view, but off that area you have this bathroom when you come in. Pretty standard bathroom. And what's interesting here behind me is that you have access to 2 of the rooms. I'm not sure what's what. I'm not sure how this apartment will be divided up, but here you have a door, so you assume this is some sort of room. So I'm gonna say this is an office space. It's got a closet, it's got another window, and then if you come through here, this is actually another room, but I think this will be the bedroom space. How would I know? Because there's a door that comes through from the hallway. So it's almost like a separate entrance. And here is a door that could be locked up if you choose to. So I assume this would be an office / bedroom area on this side. And here would be another bedroom / office on this side, I guess. Yeah, so you have a room, that connects to this room here. I think once I sketch out the floor plan on paper, it will make more sense, but oh yeah, now I'm through the kitchen. So from the kitchen, this is the other side that we come in from. Room. Yeah, so it's somewhat symmetrical, if that makes sense. And one side's bigger than the other slightly. So that's a weird apartment tour for you. Alright, I'm here with Isabella. We're here in Jamaica.
Hey, we're doing a shoot of this commercial property today.
This is a special treat. Excuse me. Check out this bathroom. This is something special. So this is a commercial property. It used to be an auto shop. Kind of cool, right? Look at how high the ceiling is. So this is what I do all day. If you like what you're seeing, let me know, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.